Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fix TikTok comments not showing issue. Open your TikTok app. First, you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now you can find these three lines in the top right corner. So, tap on it. Next, tap on this settings and privacy option in here. Now scroll down a bit and you need to click on this free up space option in here. Then you can clear your old cache by click on this clear icon. Now go back to your phone settings app. Next scroll down a bit and you can find apps option in here. So tap on it. Then click on the manage apps option. Now you can find your TikTok app among them and click on it. So finally you need to clear your app data and cache by clicking this clear data option and clear cache option in here. Now your TikTok comments will be shown again. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.